And southern New England continues to fight back against the coronavirus. For the very first time, we are getting an inside look at the Department of Health's lab where COVID-19 testing first took place. That lab is now processing a quarter of the state's tests. ABC 6 News reporter Amanda Pitts brings us inside.
Inside the Department of Health's lab, it's been a non-stop 7-day-a-week operation with around 30 scientists working to turn around COVID-19 tests as quickly as possible. It's all hands on deck at the Department of Health laboratories, where scientists are churning out results on COVID-19 tests.
Dr. Hewitt and I were here for the first case that we have found in Rhode Island, and our laboratory has not stopped since.
Testing statewide has now expanded to more than 2,000 results a day. And more testing means more staffing. Scientists from other departments like environmental and forensics are now working solely on COVID-19, even some retirees.
Almost practically every person who works in my center has been drafted into the COVID-19 test. We've really marshaled a huge effort in order to do this coronavirus testing.
The doctors say a quarter of the COVID-19 tests in Rhode Island are being processed here. First, the sample is dropped off. Patient info is taken down.
The specimen is then goes through a process called extraction. We isolate the genetic material from the virus that's in the specimen. The next process that follows is called PCR. The results will tell us whether the virus is present or not in the specimen.
And then the results are reported to the patient's physician. It all takes around 24 hours, and the workload for these scientists isn't letting up anytime soon.
We're still going to be doing in this process for quite a while, we expect.
The Department of Health says data shows that Rhode Island's peak will be around April 19th, and they say they have adequate staffing to handle that. In Providence, Amanda Pitts, ABC 6 News.